That night, Bond, now dressed in black, is still watching from the mountainside. He checks his watch, then moves down the slope towards the factory. He jogs across a road and hurries along beside one of the factory buildings. Bond ducks round a corner to avoid being seen by two Chinese workers, then climbs up a ladder onto a flat roof. Bond watches the two workers go by, then looks through a window and sees more Chinese workers busy dismantling Goldfinger's Rolls-Royce. As Bond watches, Goldfinger comes in talking to a Chinese man wearing a suit with a Mandarin collar.
Smuggling is an art, Mr. Lee, and art requires... In this case, the bodywork of my Rolls-Royce is 18-karat gold. Stripped by our. We dismantle it here. Reduce the gold in this special furnace fields, which in turn will give smelted gold weighing approximately 2 tons. I make 6 trips a year to the continent in the Rolls-Royce, Mr. Lee.
It would be wiser to suspend your other activities.
Now, Mr. Lane, please assure your principals Operation Grand Slam will have my undivided attention. Now, there are certain matters we must discuss.
As Mr. Ling and Goldfinger wander off, Bond gets moving again.